Welcome to Share Values with Global Value Sets. In this unit, we'll explore the power of global value sets in Salesforce. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to create, manage, and promote values to ensure consistency across multiple pick lists. Let's delve into the key objectives for this unit. By the time we're done, you'll know how to create global value sets, manage their values efficiently, and promote existing field values to a global value set. Imagine your bakery has several places where it needs to list ingredients. Global value sets make it possible to share the same set of pick list values across multiple fields. This ensures consistency and reliability in your data. Consistency is key. As you modify values in a global value set, those changes reflect across all pick lists using it. Let's see how you can create one. Creating a global value set is a straightforward process. However, keep in mind that global value sets are always restricted, and you can't convert them to unrestricted later. When creating values, think long-term. Ensure they make sense across multiple fields, as these values will be shared among them. Now, let's talk about managing values for global value sets. Similar to other pick list values, you can reorder, replace, and change the default value. But remember, these changes apply universally. To replace a value, create the new value first, then initiate the replacement. The Replace All Blank Values option assigns the new value to all pick list fields that are currently blank. What if you already have a set of values in a field that you'd like to share globally? That's where promoting existing field values to a global value set comes in. Efficiency meets consistency. By promoting existing values, you streamline your processes and ensure a uniform set of values across various pick lists. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of sharing values with global value sets in Salesforce. In our next unit, we'll explore advanced strategies for optimizing your data management. From Setup, enter Picklist in the Quick Find box. Then select Picklist Value Sets. Next to Global Value Sets, click New. Enter a label for the global value set. This name identifies the set in Setup and appears as Values option when users create a Picklist field. This text appears on the Picklist Value Sets list page in Setup. Enter the values, one per line. Optionally, choose to sort the values alphabetically or to use the first value in the list as the default value or both. If you select both options, Salesforce alphabetizes the entries and then sets the first alphabetized value as the default. Click Save. Congratulations! You have successfully created a global value set. From Setup, in Setup, click the Object Manager tab and select the object containing the Picklist field. Click Fields and Relationships. Click New. Select Picklist and then click Next. Enter a field label. Keep the default values option. Use a global value set. And then choose the global pick list you want to use from the pick list. Select other field settings as needed and click Next. Set field level security for the pick list field. And then click Next. Choose the page layouts to include the Picklist field, then click Save. We use a global Picklist value set for this Picklist. On Quick Find, write down the Picklist values. We have one pick list named Ingredients with numerous options. From there, I am selecting oatmeal. To deactivate that value, click on the Deactivate button. A pop-up will open to ensure whether you want to deactivate that option or not. If you click OK, that option will go to the list of inactive values. Otherwise, it will remain in the active values. Here's another example for you. From Setup, click on Object Manager. From there, select Account. Then go to Fields and Relationships. In the Quick Find option, write Region, which is a multi-selected pick list. Click on the Edit button. Let's change the type to promote the global pick list. Write the level as you desire. Right now, I am adding Macron flavor and promoting those two as global picks. Now they are going to the global pick list. If you navigate globally, you can find that option. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.